What's up guys, my name is Chaley and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be walking you through part 1 of several videos on how to create a character for your story and or novel. Today we're going to be talking about the basics. So if you've been subscribed or watching any of my videos for a long time, you know that there once upon a time was a video that was all about creating a character when I first started my channel, and I feel like it was all over the place and there was so much information in like one span and it wasn't, organized properly. So I decided that I was going to break down each segment of that video and reshoot it in a more comprehensive manner, I guess is the words I'm looking for. I think I am an author. So today is going to be all about the basics. This might be a rather short video and it might be a long one. I don't know yet, but we'll see. First things first, what is your character's sex? What are their chromosomes? What are they genetically? Once you get that out of the way, what is their gender identity? Do you remember there is a difference between sex and gender identity? As I stated, sex is your genetics, your biology, the chromosomes that made you you. Gender is the pronouns or identity that you want to go by. After you get all that stuff sorted out, you are then going to move on to age. What is your character's age? Because depending on their age in your world, it may affect the way that they think, how experienced they are in certain matters, so on and so forth. What is the character's race and ethnicity? This is important because this helps you physically describe your character as well as anything that's rooted in their culture. So this is very important. Your character is going to have some kind of lineage, whether they're from Germany or they're an alien from a planet far, far away. After that, you're then going to work out their physical appearance. What is their height? What is their weight? What's their body type? What does their face look like? How does your character feel about the way they look? Are they fairly confident in the way they look? Are they insecure? Are they having like this conflict about the way they look? Keep in mind that your character's looks should not dictate their personality. For an example, and I'm totally not going to be referencing a D&D campaign that I have been playing recently with some friends, a character might look small and fragile, like this dainty, delicate looking being, but they may end up being like a really strong, brutish barbarian from their realm that can take down anyone, or a fighter, because fighters are also extremely strong. Then you need to decide where your character is from. Like, be as specific as you need to, depending on like if you're doing like a fantasy world, or you may be describing an entire planet, or like an entire country, or so on and so forth. So like if they're in a country, you're going to include the country, and then the state, even the county, district, and if it's like a planet, what continent on that planet do they live, if they live in a kingdom, if they live in like a dimensional realm, you get the gist. You also want to have a firm understanding of your character's lifestyle. Are they a hardcore college partier? Are they more of the kind of person stay at home and study? Are they an introvert, extrovert? Are they a hermit? Do they thrive when they're alone? Are they well off? Or do they struggle? Like, are they super rich and have never had to pay a single bill in their life? Or are they poor and constantly struggling? Or are they like in a medium between, like the middle class, where they still have to work every day to kind of keep everything above water, but they're not terrible? The entirety of your character's lifestyle will affect how they view certain things in their life. Like if there's, I'm gonna use another example from Dungeons and Dragons because that's all that's been on my mind recently. But if you are a noble, there's a personality type personality trait that proves that you can earn something without your family's money. Is that what your character's going to be like? Or are they going to be like the urchin background, where they were, say, orphaned at a young age and had to literally live on the streets, but they know, the city pretty well. But yeah, so this was a fairly short video, and the reason being is because literally I wanted to split the entirety of what was once like a 20-minute long video into like a couple different segments, make it easier for you guys, make it easier for myself while explaining. But today we just went over the basics to creating your character. I'll actually do more videos in each segment, probably about like 4 or 5. Most of them will be coming out in October. The next video that I do around this specific topic will be establishing your character's relationships. So I really hope to see you guys in the next one. But if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe and comment down below so I know that you guys want more. And I will see all of you in the next video. Bye!